What up, y'all? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get cash back and get paid to eat, all that kind of good stuff. Very easy app to use. All you're doing is just going to restaurants, living your life like you usually do, just going out to eat. But I'm gonna show you how you can get paid for the place that you go to very, very easily. All right, so I'm gonna get into this app. It's called Dash. The link will be in the description to sign up. When you sign up, you will get $5. I'm gonna show you how to do all that real quick, but I'm gonna show you just basically how easy it is. Once you create your account and all that, download the app. You see my balance right there at the top. Got $2.36. That's what I've gotten for cash back today, right now. So basically, it shows you all the places they have. It'll show you the places that are near to you. So if I go, let's say I go to Denny's, whatever I spend, I get 5% cash back into my account. If I go to Sam's Club, 5%. Mattress Firm, Rec Room Shoes, you know what I'm saying? Wendy's, 3%. You know what I'm saying? You go to any of these places and just use your card and you'll get cash back. Every single place you can do this. And you can do it. It doesn't matter how much, how many times you go, you get cash back every time you go. All of these places, you know what I'm saying? Easy, easy money. That's all you gotta do is go to these places and, use your card to pay for it. As soon as the transaction goes through, the money, the cash back goes right into your Dash account and you can, use it immediately. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna show you like the things you have to do. Now, once you create your account and all that stuff, you have to link your debit card. It's very, very important because this is how you're gonna get the $5. You go in, create your account, link your debit card. All right. So when you go to these places, like say for instance, I go to Dunkin' Donuts. All right. You have to have your card linked because that's the only way they're going to be able to tell that you actually went to that place. So that's why it's very important that you link the card. All right. So follow me on this. You go, you create your account, you link your debit card. As soon as you link your debit card, you're getting $5 into your account. Okay, that's off top. So you link your debit card, you get your $5. You go to this place at Dunkin' Donuts. When you swipe your card, use every one of these places, use it as a credit transaction. Okay, don't do debit because they will not credit you the cash back if you use debit purchase. So always use credit. And 9 times out of 10, you go to a restaurant, it's a credit transaction anyway. But I just wanted to show you guys that. Make sure you guys, understand that. So you link your debit card, and all of these places you go to, you use your card as a credit transaction. It's very, very important because if you use it as a debit, you won't get your cash back, and then you wonder why you're not getting cash back. It's because you didn't do it right. So that's all you got to do in order to get cash back on this app. It'll show you all the places you can go to eat. It also has hotels that you can stop by at. It just kind of show you ones in your area. You know what I'm saying? If you want to actually travel, it'll show you different cities and states, things like that. So you got to get up on it, y'all. Easy, easy money. All right. So just get cash back for eating at places. That's all you got to do. All right. So that's it for this video. Remember to sign up today. Link is in the description. Get your $5 right after you link your card and get paid to eat.